Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing, and I believe it is a Coach unboxing. So we are about to see together. And I would like to take a moment to say thank you to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. And welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you are enjoying my content as well. And as you watch this video, if you are not subscribed and you feel like you would like to see more of my content, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And y'all, I am trying to carefully open this box because I'm opening it upside down because I didn't want to take the label off of the front. So I am trying my best to ensure that I'm not cutting up anything because I don't know how well or how not well it's packaged. So fingers crossed that I am not cutting anything. Okay, we've made some progress now. Up one more side. There we go. All right, so let's see what we got, y'all. Let's see what we got. Okay, I see my receipt. And this was an order from an actual outlet store location. So let's unwrap them. Put the box over there. Hope that wasn't too loud. Okay, I believe I may leave one wrapped if this is what I think it is. So this one that's not so cutely wrapped, we're going to unwrap this one. Okay, so y'all, this is another red cutie pie. If you recall my previous video, oh, this one has like a little dent in it. I think that'll come out. I had a red just like this with the signature and the smooth pattern combination of a Claire crossbody bag. And when I unwrapped it, I saw a lot of scuffs and scratches on the patent leather towards the top right. And so I ended up returning it. I did provide an update to everyone in my, I believe that was Satchel September finale video. The story about how when I returned it, I knew it was meant for the person that ended up buying it as soon as I returned it. So definitely check out that video if you want to hear that story. I won't repeat that full story now. But when I saw these, I figured that this would be a good replacement for that particular bag. And when I found a store that actually had these, they had two of them. So I didn't want the same thing to happen again like the Claire. So I just went ahead and got both. And I said I can always bless someone with the other one, I should say. So I'm looking this one over. I didn't want to unwrap the other one, but I think I'm going to, just to compare. I guess just the way they were packaged, this one kind of has a dent here, but I'm sure with just kind of filling that up, it will come out over time. So just to read the hang tag, it does not have the name. Well, there it is. It's behind the price, and y'all know with Coach Outlet, this was not the price I paid or anywhere close to it. But in the background, if you can see, it says Nina Tote. It's a small Nina Tote. And this is the red signature pattern. So, also in the Claire crossbody video, I did let you all know as well that I have the matching wallet for it. So that was also motivation to find another bag that matches this, since I returned the Claire crossbody. So as you see, perfect match. And let's take a look on the inside. You see, of course, it does have the magnetic closure here with the leather magnetic closure, and this will try to keep your items secure in the bag to keep them from falling out if you just so happen to turn it over. It does come with the shoulder strap, and it looks like it lengthens to also be worn as a crossbody strap as well. And even though this is a small tote, I think this is a good size. And with it being open, it can, I think it can still hold a lot. So you have the opening here with the Coach leather patch there on the back, a slip pocket there, and then on each side you have a zipper compartment. So that's even more storage for you to put your secure items. Let me see if my wallet fits on the side or not. Let's see how it zips. Okay, it's a tight fit, but it fits in there, and it looks like I can get something else in there as well because it's just kind of centered. But I absolutely love the red and gold combination on this particular design and silhouette. The Claire, it did have a heavy gold Coach hang tag versus the patent leather one that this one has. Let's see. Okay, same on this side, just another compartment for you to put your items. And since this one had a slight dent to it, I will go ahead and unwrap the other one just in case. That way I know how they both look unwrapped. Now let me just get this in a shot together, and I'll probably put them both in a shot together. I think that is so pretty. Okay, y'all, so let's see how the other one looks. And I caught these when they were on clearance. And I believe they have other colors. Well, I don't think they still do. They, like I said, they were on clearance at the time. But the other colors that I did see this in were black patent, as well as like a cream or off-white patent as well. And I'm not sure if they came in any other colors or not. So let's see. They both kind of have like a little bit of wear there on the bottom, which is normal, especially if they had them out on the floor. I don't see a crease or dent in this one. So all in all, both of them look really good. But I am glad I got both just in case, because I knew how hard they were to find. And I did not want to take the chance on the sales associate picking out one and it not being the best one, should I say. So the strap looks good on both of these. The actual body of the bag itself looks good. The corners, everything. So I would say this is a win-win. And I will need to decide what to do with the other one. But like I said, I'm glad I still took a chance and got both of them, because these literally had to be hunted down. So this one with the little crease in the front, I think I'm gonna stuff it. and see if that will fall out. And just like with the Claire as well, this does come with the little wipe cloth, kind of similar to the wipe cloth that comes with your eyeglasses, because the patent leather does pick up fingerprints, I believe. So if I am going to let go of the other one, then I may keep this one that has the crease and just put something in it so that it can work its way out, because I don't know if you can see that kind of right there on the front of the bag. So it's not bad. I can deal with that much easier than I can with the scratch or anything. So like I said, all in all, I think these are beautiful bags. I'm glad I have the matching wallet. It's a cute set, and I look forward to carrying it. And I'm excited to figure out what to do with the other one. So because I think that the other one can also be enjoyed by someone as well. I don't have an extra wallet to go with it, but I'm sure that whoever gets it, they will enjoy it and find an accessory that matches it as well. So you all, these are my 2 unboxings of the Coach New York small Nina signature, red patent signature, I believe is referred to as, Nina totes. And just a quick look at the wallet if you did not see it in my previous video. It also has the coding there for patent signature. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe it's 8 card slots total. A compartment here, compartment under there, a place for bills, snap button closure for that section, and then a zipper compartment that also has the little wipe cloth there inside and whatever you want to put in there, coins or anything. So that is the quick tour of the wallet to match. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.